Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate in a velvetizer. Start by selecting your chocolate, milk, and any flavorings, then preheat the velvetizer for a short cycle. Measure ingredients precisely, using 200 ml milk for one serving and about 30 grams chocolate for medium richness. Pour in milk and chocolate, start the machine, and let it run the full blend cycle until silky smooth and frothy. Serve immediately with optional toppings. Gather your ingredients before you begin so the process is seamless and relaxed. Use 30 grams chopped chocolate or 2 tablespoons cocoa powder with 200 ml milk for one serving, and pick whole milk for a richer cup. Optional additions like a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, or a dash of cinnamon elevate the flavor naturally. Measure everything, have your velvetizer clean and ready, and keep a mug warm for serving. Focus on technique to get consistently smooth results and a glossy texture. Finely chop chocolate so it melts quickly, pour milk to the fill line, and add chocolate or cocoa before starting the cycle. Let the velvetizer run its full program without interruption, and resist the urge to lift the lid, which cools the mixture and reduces froth. Finish with a gentle stir, taste for sweetness, and top with whipped cream or a sprinkle of cocoa as desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.